Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Vick with TimelessBarbers.com. Today we're doing a high skin fade, also known as a bald fade. As you can see, I'm taking the hair down on top using my Wall 5-star seniors and a #1 Wall plastic clip with my clipper adjusted all the way closed. Now I'm going to be starting my first guideline with my clipper all the way closed, no guard. And again, this is going to be a bald fade, high skin bald fade. And my second step would be opening my clipper all the way and creating my second guideline. Now I'm just cleaning up the sides so I have less work to do later. And now, as you can see, I opened up the clipper and I'm starting that second guideline. And then from there, I'm going to close the clipper and go back down and use that corner technique to knock out that bottom line. I know a lot of people have problems with that, so if you go ahead and just try this, I'm pretty sure you won't have no problem taking out that line. It's pretty easy. And now I'm going to put my #1 guard on with my clipper all the way open and proceed to fade upwards. Again, if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. I'll get back to them as soon as possible, okay? Now I got a #1.5 plastic guard on there, and I'm continuing to fade upwards now into the top and into the crown area. Once I'm finished blending into the crown and into the top of the head region, then I'll put on my 1/16 guard, as you can see here, and continue to blend out that line that I left from the #1 guard. Now I'm not going to talk throughout this whole video. I'm just giving you a quick breakdown of what I'm doing, and I will be following the exact same steps on the opposite side. Make sure that you're brushing away the hair, and make sure that you're brushing with the grain so you can see where to fade and what not to fade when you come back with that corner technique. Because if you brush the hair in the wrong direction, you're not going to get that even cut that you're looking for, and the hair is not going to lay properly. So especially when you're cutting ethnic hair, you want to make sure that you're brushing it in the correct direction. Now I'm doing some freestyle, just cleaning up the hair. Any little hairs that are sticking up, just coming down with it. Make sure that you don't press all the way down, especially with the clipper all the way open, because you will take out some patches if you do that. So anytime you're doing any type of freestyle with no guard on the clipper and you're just, cutting with the grain, you got to make sure that you don't cut directly down. Just kind of guide through the hair and pay attention and make sure you're just cutting any little flyaways and not cutting into the head, or into the hair rather. Now I'm using my Antis T outliners to bald out the sides, and now I'm on the other side. I'm going to complete the exact same steps that I did on the other side. And so from here, I'm just going to go ahead and let the music play. And again, make sure that you guys, as a matter of fact, pause the video right now and make sure you're subscribed, because I got videos coming, I promise you. Consistent content every week, not only by me, but from some of the other barbers in my shop. And we all bring in that heat, we all bring in fire, I promise you that. Alright, so make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like the videos, and turn on those notifications as well. Alright, it's Vick the Barber with TimelessBarbers.com, and we out. Peace.